So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a tax-free savings account or a TFSA in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app's opened up, I want you guys to go to the home screen here in the bottom left. Then once you're here, just scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says open or move accounts, and then select that, and then select open a new account. Once you're here, I want you to go to this top bar to where it says all invest and spend and select invest. Then I want you guys to scroll down. There's a bunch of different options here, but I want you to go ahead and select where it says trade. And then where it says which account would you like to open, at the top it says TFSA or tax-free savings account. Then go ahead and select that. Once you're here, you can read all about the tax-free savings account or the TFSA. So you can read all the information about it. And if this looks good to go and you want to proceed, press open account, and then you can proceed that way. So that is how to open a tax-free savings account or a TFSA in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.